Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're looking at a big old pack of pens. And this is the Stabilo? I don't know, I'm probably still saying that wrong. Anyway, it's basically a set of 30 pens. 5 of which are neon, apparently. And these are 0.4mm pens. Have 0.4mm tips. And I saw these on Amazon, and I wanted to take a look at them and see. I was just curious if they were any good. And also, well, let's be realistic. It came with a little rollout thing, and I couldn't resist. Alright, so this is the rollout thing. Now, there's 30 pens in this set, and the set was $22. So, kind of neat, I guess. There's a lot of pens in here, so let's try a couple of these out. So, I do like the whole roll-up part of it, and you have a little zipper pocket at the end. I feel like this would be a kind of a cool thing for maybe kids or an adult. Alright, so these are very much disposable pens. And as you can see, it says fine, 0.4mm. That kind of looks like a comma. Alright, so let's take a look. So these are Stabilo 0.88. And these are 0.4mm. Alright. So it actually writes pretty good. They don't write bad at all. And again, you kind of have a nice little carrying case for them. So let's check out a couple of these colors and see what looks neat. Alright, so I gotta tell you, I always have problems with green. Like finding a color of green that I like. And these two look like they have potential. So let's check them out. So we'll try the... Does it tell you what color this is? It does not tell you the color on the outside, I don't think. It just has to do with the... Although... Huh. Well, that's kind of interesting. It doesn't... I don't see the color anywhere, but if you look, the pens have different numbers on them. This is 88/53 and 88/36. Alright, so this is 0.88, 0.4mm, and draw some little squigglies there. That's an okay color green, not too bad. .88, 0.4mm. And, well, this is definitely a more traditional green. This green is kind of headed toward teal, it looks like, but not exactly teal. So that goes there, and this one goes here. It's kind of a neat little package. I don't think I'm going to subject y'all to all 30 colors of my testing these out, but it's kind of neat. And I guess these down on the end are the 5 neon colors they're talking about. Neon green, neon pink again, orange, and yellow. I don't know. It's sort of a neat little kit, and might be kind of a fun thing to get for I guess adults as well, but maybe a fun thing for kids, like someone going off to school, I guess. I don't know. I am kind of on the fence about this. I like the roll-up thing, and I think that's really neat. And they're pretty inexpensive. It's like $22 for 30 pens, so that's like 60 cents each, something like that. Is that right? That's not right. 70 cents each? That's right. That's close to right. 71, 72 cents each, something like that. Anyway, in that ballpark. Maybe 73 cents each. Anyway, doesn't matter. They're relatively inexpensive pens. So, I don't know, something to think about. Anyway, If you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, let me know down in the comments, and I'll include a link on where you can find this on Amazon if you are interested. And I was going to say something else and I forgot what it was. Anyway, I hope y'all have an excellent day.